Right, Okoman 97.1. A beautiful Monday afternoon. Na Sunday na kwa 14th of February no 2022 na just say no am for do sorry papa. Am for do sorry. San say na Val's Day. And no mo chira do. Mama hide posting no so ya humo. Mama hide posting no so ya humo. I hide you be posting obi. Chiremu kakra be chiremu ti bani nyina nkamfu ana na ye chirodo enti no chirodo chire unia abi bia so ne ya kama para na wie mame nwese aprantie lie soa dodo ana frel se boyo. And I say, no, man soldier. Yes, me and I'm frosa. Lie soa. And then your birthday. My man was so happy birthday. Say, boyo. Yankupon shira pa na yo kesiye. We free DJ vibes. And I feel so me ankasa me ho. You know, yeah, we so happy birthday. Say, boyo. Yankupon shira na yo kesiye. Baronu sene ye no yetra sisi na yesa agodie mu nsem na etwegu ye na woche awie ye betra sena fesu ye di ho komo top flight major European leagues no oni se matches do na to me koso ebe di ho komo ofia Samson about local scene in my Ghana Premier League. Match week 17, so match to Serbia Koso. Then Yasim Kuma had to folk echo away, echo drop a point. Krapia Kumasi Asante Koroko. A few on some Belgian League are still on course. And a few Kumasi Papayara. It's me winning against the Accra Lions. The veterans need to update their own union sweaty mapper. But we are team is solid. Executive producer Kofi Anton to the power. Samson ahead of sports na Kofi Okarajiman. Supported by Jeff Akufu Boate, DJ Zigibi, DJ Montana, Don Ziana Fins on the vibes. You're not damn young so boy chidom. Parentia crop ya sante umbateneka. Writer commentator and son of Poma production at me akoso. But I ban the sound over to my journey live on Facebook. Joining live on Facebook. Okoman Radio 97.1. And on Facebook, your Okoman Radio 97.1. Also on YouTube, your Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter, Instagram, at Okoman 971. Also, bet my journey live Hey, come on. WhatsApp, SMS, so they bar. Yes, for a drink chef for bra. Send a for weekend, a quarter on a Ghana Premier League. We team so send a for who know our Europe. For a drink chef for 0551 667755 0551 667755 and at 0270 191971 0270 191971. Wait a minute, about me, I didn't chat for the pa. You know, I say, Okoman Global Sports. That's what I say. Maybe you know, Kwame Amponsah Addi. You can call me AK. AK. You know, Sunny and Chaman and Sembepa Paransan ever Kwame and you know, Sergio, and they birthday. Sergio, Vakro life, and I'm always so happy birthday. Sergio, happy birthday, confirm all. We're free on here, Safari Hall, and they are cool life to me. We're so happy birthday, Sergio. But at Manchester United, I want to say Manchester United. Hey, I said Rafa Bayano, Niama Sadam Fa. Midweek, Obo board draw. And I don't remember that Tawasa Old Trafford about draw against Southampton. Now, man, you problem the pano and what to say. Man, you fans and momentum come problem by the say. John Peter. JP, momentum come man, you problem the pie the say. Cause I said Sadam Fa. And I know Professor Ba, the philosopher Naba, but there's a rough for buying and Sadam Fasa. Ronaldo said, "I'm so empty pono bottle chene, penalty no say no." As a me come in, David De Gea, I drink a crap. It's not that De Gea say, "I question no me be and I carry out to Manchester United so." The gear say as a no me be the man you team so. Now come here question me ne ya adwen aso bi aka no me say me United team so. Cause ne ya bi a share United na just say fire chara United pa. Harry Maguire jina chiro the bond na no sa. Harry Maguire £80 million player. JP United, I say. I said, I'm fast out. I said that this is my motto for. Mama told JP, United, Manchester United. Because I have it, my dream was in Chelsea. Let's focus on United Panier. The Manchester United on come on. Parebe chebe kona manane senso apa. Empa me de fisen ba ku mienu betwam. Na no me da Chelsea nsu kuru bi akọ dia momo. The FIFA Club World Cup. Obetimi akọje. Chelsea fans na ma yaso ndwe. Hey Chelsea. Disturbia sa Club World Cup ba kupa match. Disturbia sa. And your success with this table sauce share trophy way or celebrating one solid year. That's what they want to turn out on the war. enti kwanyo success ma betoka Chelsea for my idea and na from sa the easy tell the Champions League na kwa Club World Cup. And the Chelsea team na baso and the Chelsea fans saying my idea saying the FIFA Club World Cup no was so much magic. And here is a team that 5 consecutive seasons the disposable cup cronibi. It's my idea to shall buy near Makui a crack Premier League no. Master fans are so momo you de Barcelona. Cause say for na Daniel match for mo draws ah. Pareba kwa manene sama pa. Entino yanko na face no abanone sam no yemfan to jamfan bra me ka say join live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 na face no jumedi na mfan bra o like page na wase na foforo so no enya bia hye na so comment bia wo no watumi e dey ato ase sanso na YouTube mo amutie YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter and Instagram Nina at Okoman 971 I also know ubetia follow and afin so no in some nina otu watumi anya bi ahye na watibi na bibi ansan kama WhatsApp SMS 0551 667755 0551 667755 na afin so no bibi anso no atimi akoso e dey am straight away yen shaman and some na said ya we never say the fear bibi Africa ha CAF Champions League on the weekend matches dodo na so no etime to dwa etino Facebook for no ube results ni nyina and so how we CAF Champions League group stages game and also no etime to dwa na nya fede across say na matches select ekoye pobo kwani and so the Pakani from Morocco etrafie etime to US aye Gadimari upon a kanenum ema ni so no etime timu miensa na say big goal and say go galopa and then so to dwa Oh, some match anymore, and also Enya Simkuma, Samson and CS Fazien of Tunisia, Etna Fitch, Zanako of Zambia, upon a Kabako, and also Antimanti, Pyramids of Egypt in Swatanafi, Eti Ali Tripoli of Libya, Essen Academy, you know, and also Timothy Mupako, Lando Pirates of South Africa, as Swatanafi, Eti, a JS Wara of Algeria, has a 4-4 upon a Camunoa, and also Antimantina Finsu, TP Mazembe of Congo. And Eti Ottawa of Côte d'Ivoire, and I said from Congo, yes, and so upon a Kabako, and also Antimanti Cotton Spogger of Cameroon, Etna Fear, and so El Master of Egypt, and post 0-0 African Simba FC, and Tanzania. Etna Fear, Etia, Asek Mimosa, Timno, and Pone Kamiensa, more also Etimatim Park, winning matches, CAF Champions League, you know, and so to Toja, Yadia Tuja, and so my dear friend Yasim Kuma, and to know. Ziggy, easy. It's a corner film, so the Aganya at Twazo. I said, I'm there. Young corner the English Premier League, no. Enfa fixtures no and as a result no enfa tuja enfa mountain England na fe so enfa nsem ni bi enfa fi ho enfa ma dia crop ya sante eni tenase na fe so mi bisa ba kwa ansa na but the nsem na tima ba e da fa England won ti crop ya sante na mi bisa o yes Manchester team no e shada nyesa Manchester nsem no enfa na amafa kan say United team no as a ya case ma mi bisa we ansa na England fixtures no me da ba yes United team na shada mfa
oh okay United one more I think say ni nya ye hwe ni say ole koyide nanka one more banka one boy to me aye den Ranek bet me aye bibi but I think say see ane there one more anesa antino yenhwe weekend is we koyie matches no more na etumi akoyie antino yenhwe okay antino
nti anene United in some any crop ya sante Adia to Japan results in Leicester City atena fi King Power and West Ham United otumi po 2-2 Berlin so atena fi from Liverpool ebe se na kabako onu so antimante Newcastle United so atena fi St James Park ni amakoye enso dia ma Newcastle mo cha Aston Villa abon kabako a onu so antimante Tottenham so atena fi Tottenham Hotspur Stadium enso ma Wolverhampton Wanderers team no ebe se na Camino onu so antimante Brante Rahu Jimenez poko Norwich City so atena fi Manchester City ekose na kanai Norwich team no so antimante Brante Raheem Sterling na poko so na akoma yensa hat-trick so game no mo Brentford City so no etena fie eche and as Crystal Palace and so etuma bo 0-0 and also the results etuma to Everton etena fie so na Goodison Park and Frank Lampard niama koye de man Lampard team no and so etuma Leeds United ese na kamiensa ono so etuma to Watford etena fie awe ne Carl Roder and a Brighton Hove Albion ebobo ne kamienu a ono so etuma to Manchester United Otafo Trafford team no and niama sana nko and JP uti Manchester no niama sana enko so ye kama enfa Man United team no a motena fie drop points and so Manchester tena fie etumi bo 1-1 and also yet to me dia pa enya sim kuma Brantford ni din enso de popa no gira mo yin kechana ni man sada mfa no na eche say ye kokoya hometesem e de Manchester United team no ma and also yet to me dia to dwane yenko Spain sigi yenko Spain afenso no La Liga no yenfa fixtures no enfa to dwa enfa mo baransa ne ye be call La Liga no yenhwe league table no enso na England afenso no yenko Spain dia league table na the English Premier League no say na so esifat England Yanson yade MIT for onu say Manchester City omatime ready kan enso na English Premier League table no so a enya sem kuma Brantford na say no City team no niama sada cost kama area Ma City and ukra 63 points Samson Liverpool etosu mi na 54 points Chelsea abetosu miensa 47 points West Ham United etosu na 41 and afenso Manchester United team o sha say this season no o abetosu enum enso na 40 points Arsenal the Gunners and so 39 points na which league table ni din and say Arsenal with 2 outstanding games. Yes, Arsenal 2 outstanding games and so mu win back okra na United ebe drop and about seat position and also in summer panago kin chat no England no say na sifatie top scorer Brantford ni and so the Mohamed Salah and then so no wa huredi kan ono so na tima se goals dodo na England 16 goals and Brantford the dey Mohamed Salah so say Diogo Jota of Liverpool wa tima se 12 goals na so Raheem Sterling of Manchester City ono so tima se 10 goals so men Tottenham wasa 9 goals na so Jamie Vardy and so na Leicester City ono so no tima se 9 goals so England na ye dey ba ye tie for Spain na so fan 70 bi FFR wo results no say na sifatie Spain enya sem kuma Sevilla so na tumetena fie Elche team no ese de Camino went to me anta Brante Alejandro Gomez ese go Rafa Mel so no e de bako piso e de Sevilla team no Espanyol ese tena fie ena we no Catalan derby sort ya say e de Barcelona to me the point game no corner we no na ese 2-2 ana sa match no so e team ko we Barcelona catch no Abrante ni dey the Pedro Gonzalez Bogo na feels Luke de Jong so no the last hour goal no piece so ma Barca team na niama so timi course so ma Barcelona mo ball 2-2 so ho Real Sociedad etrafie Granada pon kamienu ono so timi ante Sanson na Levante etrafie ma Betis so no be the pon kanai ma ni team mienu Abrante ni dey enso de na be fake Bogo etwe ma Betis team na yes krobia Abrante na be fake na yes Abrante modern ball through the modern ball through.
Say Robert's team na ngasa osha say no I say Oma reform team no and performances are more than previously no anodin ye papa anodin.
Yes, international parties and once sama pa Alaves team na tena fie we na shocking results. Omo to match Valencia e bona kam you ono so to temu pa ko Atletico Madrid so e to tena fie omo so no omo ene pobo kwa ni de Getafe and the point na say big game the toja game the kwa ni we na say ATM team no e to match Getafe abona kan nan amanati mo miensa wherever you can so tena fie e Osasuna e be send by 3-0 enya se kuma Villarreal so Real Madrid de point Papa Django uti Madrid no ase ne mo drop points so e wo hunt Madrid so no ekwa we go drop points niama sera ko ye 0-0 ana Real Madrid so ne Villarreal etumi boy card so ne Celta Vigo e bo 0-0 and also yetumi ya tujwa and so dem etie for league table no e wo Spain no say ne no so esifatie enya sem kuma Chelsea Spain no emu ayere papa Real Madrid so no edin kan e wo Spain enya sem kuma kura 54 points Sevilla tosumienu e wo 50 points Real Betis e tosumiensa e wo 43 points na so no Barcelona team no etoso 9 or 39 points Atletico Madrid etoso enum e 39 na so no Real Sociedad etoso nsia ono so no 38 points so ye dey atujwa e dey amaetie for top scorer chart na Spain no Karim Benzema 17 points. Abrante ni dey Eddie Yosolo and so now all of us what you say 12 goals. Abrante Juan Miguel Robertis what you about 12 goals na face so no Raúl de Thomas RDT and also no etime say 12 goals. Vinicius Jose and so to me I said 12 goals yes so there to me there too yet for no call Italy, Italia Serie A no Scudetto no e muso to my team papa ya matches no na fenso for results no etime fan tuja eso fa ma wo Italy dia Stadio di Olimpico Rome no SS Lazio eso tena fie etime Bologna team no epo de kamiensa one team anti Abrante ni de Mattia Zaccari epo go so bi no na fenso Chero Mopele e ba ko epe so de ma Lazio team no Sanso na Stadio Diamando Maradona no Napoli sire Inter Milan etumi de boy ni crop ya sa game we no say Inter for bre amo bre papa.
Oh yeah, and share previously the last 6 to 7 games awon abo Serie A ni mo na Napoli miss certain key players one unable one transition and one more pattern of play, but this time to many those players in our back and I know na very difficult for Inter Milan.
Nanti na somewhere near Inter Milan for so no and that two judges give no they very difficult almost no team pick 1 point and so I was so much in the Stadio Olimpico ya Grande Torino no na just Torino team no and so to me traffic way shocking results team and the Venezia eko pone kamienu e ma ni team bako AC Milan so traffic I was Stadio Giuseppe Meazza San Siro etima boss Sampdoria kabako ono so team at young sensation Abrante ni Rafael Leao and Poco no and so to Milan team na economy so quite a almost Sanso na Empoli and Cagliari to me ball 1-1 Bobo Quantity and so Hellas Verona etimati Udinese team no upon a canai Udinese and Tumante Abrante and the and so Fabio ya Dapoli Ebogua and also Yasen Kuma Stadio Mepai no Sassuolo so air shoma de Pueni give the corner when say 2-2 and as a match and also etimiako we Abrante Amatrori Ebogo Edma Sassuolo Sanson Abrante Cresmol press and no Dinsana there's a card to na tremu Abrante Brand Cristante and I feel so no Tammy Abraham so etima Pogo so no etima Roma team na Atlanta so etima tena fie so na Ojiwi Stadium amene Juventus ball 1-1 enya senku Abrante Ruslan Milenkovic no etima Pogo edma eye Atlanta team na Abrantia ni day enso ede Paulo Ezekiel Bruno Dybala ema assist na dem Danilo no no so etika na dem Juventus na Chelsea a big game na no so etime to dwa enya sem kuma na 7:45 no Spurs na face no Fiorentina ebetima League table na Italy no say na no so Etifatie Association Calcio di Milan AC Milan dey nkan Italy ono so na all 55 points yes yetime dey atu yetiefu anim Samson na Inter Milan Arsenal 54 points. Napoli atosumiensa Arsenal etimi 53 points. Juventus abetosu 9 46 points. Atalanta atosu enu Arsenal 44 points. Na face Lazio atosu ensia Arsenal 42 points. Yanson yadi atu yetiefu anima eno so na corner ne ba wini sama etodwa Italy yene ama yetiefu goalkeeper chat no Anthony Day and Sonny Ciro Immobile and Sonny Lazio were team has 19 goals. Duvan Vlahovic and Juventus were about 18 goals. Giovanni Simoni and Sonny January no so no Atuma set 12 goals and so Tammy Abraham Roma but me as 11 goals and so yede ama etie for na yenko na face German Bundesliga na me fan 7 fans senior medin komodia and matches no say na sifa koye RB Leipzig and so atuma tena fie echi Cologne ebone kamiensa e ma ne timu pako Samson na ne no Apprentice ni Christopher Nkuku informa na poko erma ye Leipzig team no Daniel Mo ade ba ko kan na face no Angelino ade go no ba ko piece ade ma Leipzig inkunum de ko ade moment results no German Bundesliga no zig de beto so de amamo na face bi bia so no kama Santo na Borussia Park no Borussia Mönchengladbach atena fie echi Osberg abone kamiensa ema ne timu mienu Sanso ne no bobo kwa ni ne enter form for that atena fie drop a point at Wolfsburg ebe said kamienu ono so one to me at Freiburg and minus 05 ball 1-1 Samson and no Pobo kwani ne Gratafet eta busy upon a kamienu ema ne timu bako bino for Leverkusen esto to me tena fie echi Stuttgart upon a kanai ema ne timu mienu afes Union Berlin etena fie ma Borussia Dortmund upon a kamiensa one to me at Apprentice Rafael Guerrero epo gold ma Dortmund team na fie captain edema Dortmund Apprentice ni esto Marco Reus epo go suni mienu a inkunibdi so kware ma Dortmund team no tiaje ofiam esto tena fie echa mena telephone upon a kamienu ono so no entimi atena shocking results na Germany no say na tie pokom etena fie che Bayern Munich ebone ka 9 Bayern etimu mienu na chese krobia ne bet no krobia Bayern bet no as I say ana krobia wa hunu sa
eke wo mo say nyoma say papa investors and ye bring ye bank weekend ni ehwe nim say proud to the vows they are and so precisely no nanka weekend no be successful in terms of kutokuni mu no but I think say Bayern ma nipa pi ensa isi fam omo ma nipa pi ensa so etumi isi fam weekend but I think say endra yara
okay e beba sansem na afen so crop ya tuma kire mu ne Bayern almost etena fie ha adwensa anasa ukwa we mpo na mfa kobodre Bayern atena ma bokum Arsenal 4 goals to 2 and can never say boys show mbeye boys be show papa pesan krata sem ni be koye na afen so no ma kanchema no niama tuma koso de ama na so Bayern adaroma niama nsana mfa Afama Bayern team no league table no German Bundesliga no Bayern dikai 52 points Samson ne no Borussia Dortmund etosu no 46 Bayern Leverkusen etosu mensa 41 after so no Leipzig team no etosu 9 34 Tiago Afiam etosu enum 34 Samson na goalkeeper chat no top scorers no Apprentice ne Robert Lewandowski or Bayern with 26 goals Patrick Schick eto Freiburg 19 goals. Ellen Paul Holland. And so now Dortmund. What you 16 goals now for so Antonio Modeste. El Colonna. What you 14 goals. Christopher Nkuku. Leipzig. And also no. What you 11 goals. Into the matches. It will to draw the German Bundesliga over the weekend. Yes, so yet to me. And to draw. And so no. Ama etie for. Yerebesi. Amana ne no. Yerebesi na just say. Yabe fie na just say. Fie come on. Yes, so yet to me area pa onum say Ghana Premier League matches no etumi akoso anese anya sem kuma Hatefok e drop points kodoko etumi awini entino ma yetwa ye mbra na afin so ne fisam no ba komienu pe yes so ne fan to dwana emedi nkomo e ofie.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own division. Division 1 league is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. I need you can want. The day ration one. Say a day what dog can want. I need you can want. The day ration one.
Entino Ghana Premier League on sensem mame fan to jana yameto ansem no so only say weekend Ghana Premier League matches no to dwa mediama and Dream FC na say baso enura entimo ambaso isu ntino enanopa 9 am ana match no etumi to dwa na shocking results Dream FC ekopo mediama ekaba kwa omo entimi anti abranti and the Samuel Simba and a poko no and ma Dream FC Rihanna Stars a few Jab Boys Toma, match 11 Wonders, Ebon Kamiansa, 11 Wonders, and to me, Mr. CNN, Bright J, the Pogos on a hat trick, and straight to Medima, Ariana Star, Samson, and Real Tamale United, ITU, and Sunny had to folk. It's me the point, and I say, we know how to folk. I could drop points away. That's I say, it's me po 0-0, Sule, Ali, Muntari. It's me, Jeremy, po 76 minutes. And my house team now, and also Yasim Kuma, West African Football Academy, Wafa, and certain firma Karela United, and go born a Kabako, and also no, and to me, and Tintene, Yura Kwamana, man, what bread and Wapa, Great Olympics, and so it's met a feature, Mina Sachs, and so upon a Kabakwa, went to me, and to Boston or Santi Gold, and a few any Bibiano Gold Stars, it's me po 2-2, Southern and Brecum Chelsea, and so the Pechem United. Epo 1-1 Kumasi Papa Yarano eye Kropia Emetema and asa Kropia Santikoroko etimetena film at Accra Lions we na full yes I quite down hey Epo me come here sir I mean Accra Lions etimu pako Apprenti ni Frank Henry eye Mbella and a po goes to me and sa etimede ma eye Kropia Kumasi Santikoroko Apprenti no or form no one pa league table ni Korokodi nkai and so now 36 points Bechem United etosumi 30 points Great Olympics etosumi ensa 28 points Rihanna Stars etosu 9 27 points Ken Faisal etosu enum 26 points Mediama etosu ensia 26 points Karela etosu enson 25 points Hat to Folk etosu enwoche 8 position has etosu 8 and so now 24 points Dream FC etosu 9th position Ekura 23 points. Brecum Chelsea at also 10th position. On Ekura 22 points. Ash Gold at also 11th position. Ekura 22 points. Real Tamale United RTU at also 12th position. On also no 20 points. Bibiani Gold Stars at also 13th position. 20 points. Accra Lions at also 14th position. Accra Lions at also 14th position. And so no 19 points. Legon Cities at also 15th position. 18 points. And after West African Football Academy and relegation no more ballroom. And so no 18 points. 11 Wonders at also 17 position. Equal 16 points. Now is Elmina Sharks on Marjorie. That also 18 position or more 11 points. And so top scorer chat no Apprenti and day and so Frank Mbella Thierry Asante Koroko. But to me, Apo, goals from Akuma Kutupako, 11 goals, and a Branton Ashe, and so Bright J or Diana Stars was 9 goals. David Abagna Sandam, RTU, what to me, I say 8 goals, now is Omar Basiro, our Karela United, was 8 goals, Augustin Okra, Bechem United, and also no, at me, I say 8 goals into winning Ghana Premier League matches, no results, no top scorer chat. Yes, yet to me, Eddie Apa, and Yasim Kuma, I'm in Facebook. Na and 7 up mean to me messages no making kind and for mama na bibi anso no enye kama na okay John Peter the apa on Facebook I say hey I'm here United no na egu na me bisa say when United na egu and JP me bisa say when na lie poyo eye pankwe unu say na birthday so Jaman and then birthday or they are on Facebook I say God bless you guys big ups Okoman also to me the there at me about Real OJ. What about the return of FC Barcelona? Hey, Baza for woman, Mamo, inshallah, near there. Another question 4. Na nungwas yes kobo tutu. Dabi obi ka se dabi de boy dey. Always dabi no boy here dey. And boy dey anka City on United Samsung okay. Ken Elom and upon Facebook I say much love AK and Krobia. Much love AK and Krobia. Mtene no monchro do oba utumi chiao ge. Chiao dofo. Yeah sa chiao dofo sa na yeah. Chiao dofo no sampa odon pa Thursday no. Mama dofo no mante monka. Mtene no ayo Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports AVA. Yes ya ba wo fancheme tisemi kasa bitimu ne adia wo fancheme awade nchana but ebefa Krobia Santia Tenase Krobia. Okay. Mami mo official kwa ba. Bibia kama. Okay.
Bibia fine. Bedo bo ade ase. Bedo bo ade. Oh yeah.
Yes sir, and o na ejuada na say na Valentine.
O na ejuada.
Sa.
Na ejuada ejumada.
JP temi nka be obi oba o.
Na ejuada ejumada papa.
Yeah, JP wa ba trance. Mami ma JP akwaba. JP ama akwaba.
Oh, mi Jose o, mi wache.
Na
me to say who boy and fire. When you D.
United na team ni nkoyi United.
Okase team ni nkoya, me no nya adwen totally. O hwe. Okay. Muze bribia no hwe bia ofi. Na o hwe ne ababia wadu. Na efe o hwe between them o dey a proper analysis. Not too long ago metea me sure says conversation is now can find yet to say and then it looks more like there's hope. There's a young mojo
and then United hope for United
so much.
Cristiano Ronaldo playing over about 10 games watch about 2 goals.
It happens to every good player. We wait me a call on a long stretcher without a goal. Mekanisa Oshe yen last 3 matches. Be a new we made those brothers 27 shots on target. Duke yen bi kura da.
Baako
pene shey. Yetiminya empty pool kura ya shey. All I'm saying is better and because and you see us playing. Be how it me 45 minutes. The next 45 minutes it doesn't come. And it takes time because and then my manager coaching.
Raf,
yes. And then
Ole wo he musu ole nyi but Oshe statistics na say Ole cry better than Raf.
No, okay, you can bet me here say obe statistics no. But orenye fair in a sense Raf ababe di Manchester not even 6 months. So yes obe that kind of analysis enye fair.
But obi ka say Oshe expectations are now United war from Raf and is by now he dan come the second position cranka because I'm a friend the philosopher who say niama wa ye when it comes to football there's an Indiana the our sorrow then you buy na in fact to me and most of United supporters in fact
okay say in fact then my bubu match no in fact no enye just a raw language in fact say o chechi mu ni in fact
and mo draw ni adia baby I say come down now United
and I'm say o hwe baby na ye wo na say o hwe ne dia ye better because and no the difference is that we are not scoring. That's the only thing. But then previously we were not playing and we were not scoring.
We were not scoring.
No.
Cause only first game. Only first game.
Hold on. In can only first game them pam no.
Men can first but this season.
Hold on.
Only first 5 matches of boya. You guys were scoring.
Okay.
Your first game was 4. Bruno reached a hat-trick.
Your ball be 3 games. And no, but me person me no me nim baby a ogina and na me nim say nea wo hwehwe na wanya nti enye no na person but nea me can say if we want to do a proper analysis devoid of all biases na obebu mu pa Manchester yen shego say no yen problem ni say yen timi infa ball no into atenem
Ralph Bay
but ball no dey Ralph Bay cry no after we say there's 1 week break be a yenya yeah but our playing has been better. We are able to control the game. Yene Watford, me nimsa ohwe ya. Na yenim guase.
Na wase amona.
Wase yen 4-1, yenim guase. Yene Atlanta. Na yenim guase. Yentimi mbobi at all. But now what I'm saying is we are playing. Say yeah ball like in a game We take absolute control, and then yet just passes. We play shots to the pole. Keep an ise bibi, nebi afa baby, ebu obi keep under pole.
Playing to the pole, and you're not playing into the pole, into the net.
Nana, what the football is
Sure.
And these are normal in football.
Okay.
Like a normal in football.
Right.
It may be see. The most important say game in corner munti me mwa a problem. And no me and metia I will say it. But no sha our defense be a young captain Pen Stella and Koye man. And
Harry Maguire.
Yeah, Harry Maguire. And it be a woman no one
more
knows.
options. The likes of Eric Bailey, more Lindelof, more.
Difficult. You see, it's just like one transfer when you're Juma Fufo in a corporate industry, right? Now, wako to general manager for this, general manager for that. And asked a post what they are mobile. Now, say me pamon. You don't do that. We are saying we can team ni mora. So a niama bebre I can't boom na Emma team Harry Maguire and Tenase. If you want to look at how corporate structures work into na me boafa is ye enkosu ye enkoye my you know and yet where we want to be.
Where did that so?
Of course. You see football me say near me dey chika kre achenti no. Me say here just one game. It's just one game for it to flow. Football, that's how it is.
Don't you think say materials now mukra so count and then my nino mu go scoring no. You enjoy playing the game, yes, more born here, but go scoring no.
We have the best going scoring materials in the world, not the Premier League, like in the whole world.
Yes, Cristiano Ronaldo.
We have the best. It is a whole Cristiano Ronaldo about 3-4 Premier League games continuous on share one goal yeah. It's a problem. And then natural like on you be out the ball not to home and on share. So a natural problem. And the American say all we need is a Ronaldo the ball never to net him. It will flow. Rashford the ball never to it will flow. And that's how everything works. Into the young and Koye, one hour person was you will take it. But there's a time coming. I'm so much optimistic with what we have in the coach in Man U. I was even thinking say Uncle be top player for. But edu hono one top player bia and me coach nidi.
Okay.
Yeah. Or what says say obi a onima dinim. Inti no tobo ase. Yeah fans and supporters. We are emotional people. Inti no ye can baby yen kuma code baby yen aniwo. Ono no sit back and look at the whole in totality. Inti mayebre. Ebefa. Are you remember the Chelsea for Club World Cup? Then I'll catch it all. Congratulations. Okay. It's a fantastic one. Say what you be ashe. Yen Manchester for yen
what you be ashe and then
say one brain aba. And
some more giant Club World Cup no. What you won? One.
Na Bribia and the team. So when Chelsea is doing it, it's a fantastic thing. It's good for the Premier League, which I'm a proud supporter of. And good for their supporters. I mean, guys, this Chelsea team.
Hey, quite your success. Facebook, I'm John Peter. Success.
So congratulations to Chelsea. I don't wish them well, like not even for a second. But when they do it, they've done it. So and all you need to do as a good sportsman, catch on say congratulations because they deserve it.
All right,
they deserve it.
And then John Peter and then America United are 71. Or there's your Chelsea for my yard, papa. Matthew England and him. United the crowd would you be a check? It's in your mapa. I bet you any. Crobia. Again, Mammy Mao. And they're upon two.
Yeah. Short on foreign.
It's now what we should look at. Okay.
A few minutes because Kasan says, I don't this kind of top party and Bebre. I'm not a free crampoon. And that for Musa. And Yenchi will be Biake. Yenchi will be pa yena. Yemma will be a very, very, very good afternoon. Precious Lay. Minciano and the
Precious Lay.
Wabwe room.
Okay.
Wabwe room. Unse Adiana Sumano. Say Ghana card in and who sim registration yade.
Mugusu diachi.
Ubene day.
Okay.
Now what I would do, Kesimuha. I know your thing.
You plan a Buafaso.
With the Alpha Mountains, you know.
Oh, okay. So around.
Around.
They say yes, she and you didn't come on.
Yeah. And you know, your movie be a very good afternoon. Now, your ma OBBI, T4 near your phone, you know, a wish you were mobile day pa a more day year pa say be a best successful.
Anything I say, never shall read Nana.
Oh, where red it?
Me red na me red.
Quite unfortunate. Monday pa yes. It's me about PM Monday but no. Yeah.
I say why wish mommy happy birthday.
Oh, BBA Charlie, no better than.
Me mano. I know my dog phone. Mo Lisa Brown money.
Oh yes. Oh, one day. Mommy how.
Okay.
Mommy ni how crack. Inti akosia insano oni how. On ne mba ni nyina Lisa Brown ma bena any gift no mo any. Womu bo ejuma. Womu bo ejuma na just say wo hwe maba. Ene eye vows day ba wo mani ku ejuma ho. For womu future no me unze. Ha. Disi and ye no be na mo ne mum no. Edu hono ma intine me hu
mami tio amana say baby arefa
edu ma ya
Spain in England it's baby arefa.
Well me ma Miami team Chelsea big and congratulations Emfa Emma Omo winning the World Club Cup for the first time in the club's history. I been see that, and the entire team led by Uriah Freno, Caesar Azpilicueta Tanko, being the first captain and the first Chelsea ever player to have won every single trophy I was a club BIA participating in Obetumi Argentina. He is one man I know metumi abona basu ye pa. He's been the leader and now with me show Chelsea eba over 100 years and if say a takey Abrante to say Caesar Azpilicueta so betumi aye say I think say Osabas body. Then secondly Uriah Freno Thomas Tuchel Abrante by and I say papa by just about a year and a month. Emua and a year or by January and year February. You know, I think that he's not even up to 13 or 14 months Mukramponi, but a Juma way to me about Bayano. The way at Chelsea airball, the way at Chelsea team no pen so I could do anyhow I want BBI TCC and in terms of club no the way I want managerial BBI kono I think say say a team a well and properly built and they are pattern of play any wama the Chelsea identity are for quite some years for a longer period in na Chelsea BBI who say sa boy ye dey to form na ye born pa any adi nyina no enya ade a Chelsea wo sa ade ni bi ba enenu wetumi ama Chelsea bobo a efe then again trophies are na ho aye din ade ama Chelsea wetumi aba boa and for a short period of time no okura team no any the way Chelsea team no seems say a team away crown for over 5 years in a winner number of years or the age so and also congratulations to him. Then the man himself, Roman Abramovich, Oshe time obeto Chelsea and 20 years and over Kakreni. I think that he's won it all for the team in terms of Sika team ni be here to players, any players no welfare management, any OBBA or form a part of the Chelsea organization. You know, I think that with me I born home year financially. They are supporting team na ababedu sampempensu we no money penny for me inside the coach, the captain of the side, and the owner himself. I ne wo to me aboa apeja Chelsea. Then Chelsea a good news to the whole European scene because Europe nyina esoma Chelsea say ene munkonko shia AFC ene CONCACAF ene wo mo eba CAF ene South America obibia e de representatives team eba bishia ho ana Europe smart Chelsea and Chelsea kweno womo intumi anko gu womo ho anim ase. Secondly womo so ebo the English Baklika and the Premiership na womo so with all the 20 teams you know womo nyina etumi apeja any the entire British womo etumi apeja womo nyina no e this our glory way so etumi aba. So okay, kudos to these players womo nyina etumi abo homodin etumi I make such history no e dey atwo any Chelsea. So womo ebo homodin for the first time womo etumi agisa trophy bi into now the late teams you know and as a clubs womo Europe no betumi akan Chelsea akan this time round every single other trophy womo so etumi agibi elho. Okay, on any Tammy Abraham sinaka edema AS Romeo I think say ne modern bono eso eni and ahead of the World Cup Qatar 2022 ayebeko no abrante no ni move from Chelsea echo Roma no I think say Jose Mourinho do ni o man sheda nkoye e o Roma emfa man ye e wo Serie A ni musa de anka ye nyina ye be expect but I think say certain players we to me enya the good out of them in terms of management we to me ahihye wo mu ye manage wo mu ye ma wo mo nso ye hu the good out of them this time and Tammy Abraham one of the beneficiary on also enya that we know from Jose Mourinho wabeye currently the top 5 European leagues are here every single English player especially our striker no Tammy Abraham standing tall of these players we now we to me I share the most goals over the top 5 major European leagues are equal so far as English players are concerned our football mood this time scoring 11 goals so far over the first round season I think any modern bono so any and to as to say Qatar 2022 and so a place on also so far the nine back on esiwa obe to me enya kwan so etumi akakobwa the Three Lions of England Newcastle na womo bre and by now ni you say anka ye be bobe first round be 25 matches no na team we no already where they could be declared as a championship team womo ebeko officially but Arabu Fidis Kaibe Shemu no January transfer anana eba very difficult transfer season for any other team, no matter how big you are, very difficult to sign players. One more quality players, and I say one more contracts from other teams. Say one more but this team Newcastle United, Pebebiana one more that the 20th position. This time, one more above the relegation team. One more to me actually move 4 points gaba, and also to me edemu. Signings I would want mu no it to me I the results ye pa the ama womu honoma their last 5 games womu en lusu a single game in their last 5 games womu so the echo drawing 2 and winning 3 of them I think say a very 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 solid performance I want so it to me actually the coming in of our brand friend Kieran Trippier it to me ababe boom and the last 2 games against Everton and Aston Villa he's been the man for Newcastle United that all still wins at the Mawamu through set piece and free kicks are to me at the Eshe against Everton you third goal to me at the secure the victory for the Newcastle then again the 1-0 against Aston Villa you another free kick from Abrante Noah on also at the Ebai I think said this time in the modern bono on also able to me a guarantee a position in the English and as national team because now Reece James of Chelsea and Alexander Arnold of Liverpool now one more year occupy that position but performance on also at the MI I think say Qatar on also able to me who able to me make it be our honor but quite unfortunate for him say after their game against Aston Villa we to me enya enoka ene obetumi atena nchen kakra for about few games here obey absent at the Newcastle and ebe ha wo ye papa because their last 6 points is been a branch friend Kieran Trippier and the absence ebetumi how any Newcastle but I hope and believe say they are one of the teams that tamana wo mo ko nyina ma bompire de bia American wa say they are the team amen pese wo mbeko relegation and looking at the way wo mo airball anyhow mo peja wo I think say the sky will be their limit or honma wo to me aka league ni mu I think that in all winning and in some measure on Manchester United I think that supporters na actually say bibia any how be any and one more improvement of play and if say anka supporters enjoy how beautiful a team airball how good chances a team create any number of shots are all but now United supporters are telling us say they are enjoying shot on target they are enjoying total shots total passes and no ana any one more enjoy and per total passes any total shot
I know your friends JP on
he's not the only one because yes me were a lot of friends are any one more similar and a woman can say one more style of play asesa and no one to me keep more of the boy who the midfield a control game a create chances from most of the United supporters. And I think the direction I want more Kuzisiano, one more idea to say a year into if they know we need a dear. We are a true supporter of a club. Ube to me, I enjoy it. I think that it's up to them and take Europe, fancy Europe.
Na minister can Spain kakrana.
Yeah, okay. Spain.
Madrid points are almost 2 more from the start of this day. A drop pianabe, just 4 points difference between the Sevilla, Barcelona as a fan kakra de bano.
Okay, quick on Madrid. Now, me check 1 or 2 things be and Papa friend Carlo Ancelotti. I think that why you juma ASONI and we to me ye players be the or Real Madrid our more than bon way to me ASONI especially a brand friend of Vinicius Junior. But in the last 4 games, you know, the involvement of a brand friend of Karim Mustafa Benzema, and he's been one of their influential player this current season. And ono a partner and as a link up play on a brand friend of Vinicius. Ne absence no ma Vinicius enya obi to me na bo ene one ne abranti friend no Luka Jovic ochina one Garibel one Eden Hazard one Isco no. These are players I want more try in the absence of any Karim Mustafa Benzema and work well for Real Madrid. And I think the absence of Benzema and so affected Real Madrid in their last 4 games be our to me about performances no and said Nkuya are finding very very difficult to clinch results and I say maximum 3 points or because I say draw no but it's been like that for Uriah friend Carlo Ancelotti. And also a little history our teams are way to me do one winning leagues, you know. Okoshemua obo first 2025 and matches we out to say to me and my setting gaba in the middle of second round, you know, ne performance, you know, one we win back on, no we lose back on, now we about draw back on, no we win back on. Or yes, I don't know, AC Milan, Chelsea, similar record or to me ebenya or and I think that idea who consider papers, you know, any other reports and I want more HMA. Every single season OBJ League piano or to me Asiasa ne akwensie in terms of performances, consistency and beam after say way to me actually league ni munu. So decided there I think say in all share performance one more a year contenders and so the air manner I just say BBH let's say the TBA Madrid a bit to me go ahead to me a winning and Barcelona are fighting for the top 4. A lot has been said about them after say one more a couple of signings or this current January and points no egusua to say Xavi Ebaye no uyi Real Madrid na uyi Sevilla ono na otoso third away to me enya points ye pa ntanka so far anka enye anko betumi at that 3rd position league log no. So and I think the performances no show and uche games are more after our January inclusions are more to me here no. I think the possible 6 points na unya and 4 out of 8 1 home win and 1 away draw, and it was a derby game. One more boy against Espanyol. One particular team. One so how Barcelona yepa, and that few minutes, I can be 2 minutes. Na yang upon game na one to me squeezy a point away to any Barcelona no camp no. I think say one more to me ebo home and who setting improvement or setting players one more eba now with any Abrante friend Adama Traore and Ferran Torres. Unse one more to me give you room to Abrante friend Gavi. I'm on also finding the scoring boot. Ocean the chances are creative or the final third. Any how to me the shots to me register into the post of a new opposition half. I think going forward you be to me more and as you be Gavia or more goals because of that wide area one more than airborne and a bit to me open way for Barcelona and you a typical Barcelona team to know this time who the part-to-part game a one more the tiki-taka pressure walls one more lose bona within some seconds, you know, they have to retain it back, and I think that Nina are working to perfection. And going forward into next season, you know, you benya branch friend Buski, I will be faded out. Then possibly won't benya branch be a proper DM. I will be to me a that position, you know, it to me a transitive play. and enemy who say we follow Abrante friend no Frank Yannick can say no possibly Abrante no clear Ahmad AC Milan need to me the able to just say one munye this Abrante need to me I extending the contract, and I think say Barca the Honoma, it will be very hard to choose any other team bill so than Barcelona, because near Barca and so situation at home see and one particular team especially we are a proper center back we are promising per year any a DM, because Barcelona any DM and as a conductor infinity I think that this position we are player na in a crime better home our ube to me FC Barcelona once your position ube to me any biabo into woman proper center back, then left back count their right back. I think say from next season we move to me and you be on to be the Aves I think Aves edinya more minutes from next season, more minutes at all. So Gino Des on here impressive at all. Even under Oshe, especially under Xavier, on share that ain't show any promising way. We say to me hold that position. So one more back getting rid of most of Barcelona players, and I'm expecting about 6 to 7 players are Barca of Lodi summer 2022. So I think these players no echo na yenya few 2-3 be beshima to me abuama. That season, Barcelona prepare for no to me come into fruition, and Barcelona this season yemo bien say they are one more year any boy one more boni na one more ball for next season, not this particular season, to secure the top 4. Then summer transfer and one more to me a business year pa into the 2022-23 season and our mobile compete year pa.
Okay, and here club ya asante ne summer ne amanane. Yes, abo no. And also etimi aba meka say utie show no Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 Facebook for no so no and in Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Ken Eloma the boss AK we need money, not Valentine celebration. Alongside the about Kwame Majesty I say more fire and informative no and also etimi and then they are bar and so but if I did come off here we not just say sorry it's not chana about to us so but Ghana Premier League on sensem Ghana Premier League on sensem Miyama said I'm going for my teams in the but waiting the message about I say good afternoon staff, good job done Chelsea FC, but for United indeed they will keep on suffering simply because there is VAR. So no more robbery as they used to do in the past. Richard inside Nuaso City, Odumase Krobo, and I didn't the Abba. We saw the Abba. See, good afternoon, AK. Good work doing to help the nation and the Kwame. Happy Valentine's Day to all my friends and the family, especially Abuajiwa Asari Erica inside Koforia Esiakwa. Theophilus inside Safari Valley. It is Theophilus Echiana Dofo. And I say especially as I don't know where you back one or Chian Cassipa Ababa one di Abuajiwa Asari Erica or so Kufuridia Esiakwa. Yes, 2 floors as you channel or Donapa. And Jerica, we if you 2 floors were and also let me add the Abacrobia. I'm a chef is I feel so. If you say with my for course back, you know about I'll be to my for about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and at 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Offer about Ghana Premier League on Sensem Europe. Maybe I saw the fa and so obey to me. And about to folk. Niaman said I'm found from my house. Koro console sem and Niama Kui Kama Ediama Krobia Asante Koroko. And also for a gentle Efabra Krobia. I'm mouse my be and so 7 minutes on okay 5. Okay, I'm at 5. Yeah. I'm at 5. Now we'll fire F7.
Well, okay. Over the weekend, you know, interesting fixtures and results are by all the Ghana Premier League, and I think that we've seen it already. The pace at which Kotoko Ede League, you know, echo, and as they started, you know, one more and leave any stone unturned, and one more that same roots, that same energy, that same sense of intensity. ana womode eko elho and after Elmina defeat awomo ekonya, it was shock because a team na in the honor that last the league log no so we winning a single game before Kotoko game. Now we winning a single game out of any 15 games and away to me about. So I think the a shocking defeat by the Kotoko Elmina. Wamo etumi ekonya that defeat, wamo modern ball that particular game. Anyhow, Coach Emisa etumi etutu niamano. I think they had it correct and had it right over Prosper Okoman in the team. Ekupiemu Elmina and coming away from away defeat now Babetra comfortable zone. Babayara Sports Stadium. Now the only thing I'll be to me cheer the fans up and I bring it back the love of all supporters, and the entire team, that momentum and our model call before that defeat, to me and BB as a very good result home. And I think it was a game Kotoko started well and ended the game well as well because the way one airborne that pa game ogum airborne that beautiful football it to me ekoso el honoma it to me eboa then Accra Lions I think going into the game now one more underdogs and one more failure already on their way to Babayara said they are eternal. But due to results and Akotoko Ekonya Elmina no na say even say Elmina Sharks secret to me and Shakotoko a team for over 15 games now we winning a single game there. Now I think nenye Accra Lions so recently one modern boy to me as we the last 5 games one more Kotoko game winner one to me lose so one so modern bono na esweni ye pa one eko ene doma Ekonya draw. Now almost more than bono esweni as compared to Elmina Sharks or no cry to me share Kotoko and only idea now we'll consider won't to me pull up a surprise but for a team and on also I could lose away there will be very difficult for that team to go ahead and lose for the second time and and not this Kotoko side one so a form on top of their form and no one name but Abrantia your friend enenu imbela etumi nya that 3 goals and so ede Emma Kotoko El Honomo going into the game now one may say few players be a one integral part of the team one very very influential Kotoko setup in Abrantia minimum say so far he's been the best player for Kotoko despite say Mbella etumi bagging 10 goals and over me to me say Abrantia your friend Georges Infege ono no Kotoko setup ni mu a ne said they are all cutting play said they are all linking up play ne ball any creating of chances ni nyina no na just no ejuma Kotoko ejuma ni nyina no almost 40 to 50% na ejina no so if say Kotoko ebe shegu a always be a go be a baby na or involved in that particular boy be to me resulting into a goal so ne absent na be ha adwin ye kakaka in a box to box midfielder Mudasiru or no so to me board that particular game then also one player Kotoko Elusi going into the game then again their best left back even in the Premier League this time, we share a left back away to me 5 possible assists or Premier League. I think the modern bounce way to me as well. Offensively, Ibrahim Imoro very 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 good, but also defensive wise, and on shada enya they are quite to say Trent Arnold of Liverpool, and management to Okoman and then the set piece very very crucial, but. Ni defensive nuna enshada nyenyu ono so record when to me ambo that particular but I think say Kotoko the squad depth will be bia anywhere they obe to me abo ewre bia no and so ebe to me aba performing Patrick Asma taking over the position of Imoro Ibrahim Justice Blay take over the position of Enemu Dasiru like for like and say womu nyina no so no that name already in the Premier League womu ba there is no way obefe ene say Mudasiru eni want Justice Blay na ba obefe Mudasiru and I say Patrick Asma uba befe in the Abrantia friend Imoro and ye nyina ye hu that passes and ono so to me register assist I think say ono performance in Imoro de be mana no to me de be man so in all I think say ye nya a good game el hono weki Tamale one particular stadium this weekend the year in terms of supporters are appear or the stadium in terms of the euphoria around anyhow a match na nkasa no excel
because o supporters buy enye kotoko ne has na ebo o say dem who supporters bi
kotoko ekoko pm tamale ye nyina ye hwe bi but this particular game ekos tamale no wow. And I think say one more excellent, a very, 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 very good game. And even we say even coach I friend or Samuel Boy do crampono na Tamale supporters in Abi ball the genus and Oba and the post interview Oba say yes where they are now one more expecting no woman who different house of folk and gamer or the Bema or more anything our fans and so then a boy the genus because we to me about the ball tactical game and yeah easy. Say Tamale one ube buira wa points honomo but I think say woman so the absence and I say the injury was one camp kakra 1 or 2 players bia woman so to me nya woman no David Abagnas and dan on so to me prano and so to me because the last 10 minutes I had to folk man down no utumu say woman be mu enya crucial chances the 18-yard box of Hearts of Folk but I think say woman to me and fa kotoko anyen kwan but nyanka that particular game I was going to me and winning all the 3 points, you know. House of Folk. That chance to advance no, you cannot make any such chance. No, to me, I say that particular chance, you know, moment who team no position or one and said that any good moment and baby a very difficult to penetrate, very difficult to create decent chances and we share that chance Abrantenia went to me and Berina. I think say a bekwe we are not team naba belusu then na coach to me about benya problem and then na United for no canon so because born the coach no who pattern no one create chance but players ni bin so no woman to me very chance no and Isaac Mensah let House of Folk and Samuel Boy do down and Tamale so one game na na a good game and the game also I think say Dreams FC woman so etina fie ama brekum Chelsea also last week woman LUC deal and the woman so call away with a defeat and just losing twice on a row and yeah they are woman so to me akoya dia ma so they fought a very good fight to prevent that to happen and one more to me in that 1-0 victory over Mediama. Mediama contender for the Premiership, but I think the Dreams FC team I know Philemon Bafo in New York, Abrante Freno Kamadin Sulemana and no one more Sulemana be Sulemana be so also Portugal.
Yeah, Sulemana.
Yes, one more 3 players and one more echo. 3 players Sulemana be
no ball left wing back.
Yes, and also absent. We need team nimu a then Ishayaku Fatao. But one more to me abana in takwa mo to matna wa ma one boy I think say person win the Premiership na enye this particular game CBS NSL but then Bechem can say Bechem United before one more game we 3 points between one money kotoko one to me and fa koto anyen kwan ama ne one to me as drop points and you know you can know these are teams that enya dia wo be to me are fighting for the league though we show one money kotoko you see about 6 points and I think the 6 points between Bechem ni kotoko enye team bia and we share the way you rating na abeye between House of Folk and kotoko because one be to me give you kotoko a fight you know ye hu Eduana Stars Mediama any one more can yen said that as good ye hu Bechem no money ade dia one be ye ni hedu baby a one be to me as living to one de no obvious but I think in all one no so far one be to me aye me team of the first round the first round need to me akwa I can just the House of Folk ni we no but I think the first round no a team away to me put a surprise party Bechem United into no me the bema one then me best player first round you me yes me the bema Augustine Okra but the entire men farmer Augustine Okra no yeki Augustine Okra I say 10 goals Mbella say 11 goals and ne modern bonu do na nka me de bema Mbella ekoye locally based player and ka me de bema Augustine Okra but ni enti me de bema Mbella no ye a player ofi be the first time new league mu na obae no young about 2-3 matches na FA club no call pre-season tour ni nyina went to me and pre-season and one more buy no even adaptation so be acclimatize to the weather of Ghana, the food, everything, the pitch cry bobo no also tough na nkasa no ni nyina easy but home away and even first round for a striker to register 3 goals and as a hat-tricks, 2 hat-tricks any games away to me about 12 games and out of the 12 games we started 10 now we to me bagging 2 hat-tricks the first round. I think the player so far the first round no yedbema Frank Mbella Ituga and I don't think we need pa be 10 9/10 bia no Abrante no be win this asema making 9/10 bia everything if Ivano but Augustine Okra to me be the second best. He's been the man for Betchem United and they were o see a kind of the modern ball kotoko na yan she den hun ye but this time we're finding in scoring boots or she go left right center playing as a wing winger no I think we to me add so much to the team no and also yembo na ba so hono coaches no elbow homodin omo elbow homodin bia I think team was surprising me in the first leg no so no me de be making face mama wo mo da nod no say won to me a fight so hard to an even position I want though it's not been well for them over the last 4-5 games I want but I think the first round you want to me show yepa and not many and Emma want that opportunity before the start of the season is to me I work so hard I been position any points I want to me accumulating so kudos to any large groups any king face and so almost way to me about more than yepa AK.
Okay, and then crop ya sante nisem elfie and also area ba yeria tu jano yedibesi na ya sorry jumedi eno so na jumedi akana to aso Code City Prince Abe Joseph for their boss say Okoman Global Sports is making my lunch break super good job classic man so also the need aba yes you papa Prince Abe Joseph yakopo sharp pass ni no Osho Okoman Global Sports and so and you know I'm fancy na yeah sorry so ya me pechina eba na feel so ya beto so but I mean say na Zoka birthday obosu Zoka krobia na Zoka birthday
obosu Zoka oh fine
and you know I mean say ya winya ya wo si Zoka happy birthday and you know obosu Zoka maybe I will be ano yeah, we happy birthday. Na birthday ni amana yeso nkono say na Chelsea cup super fantastic Chelsea supporter. Okay. The Chelsea Club World Cup on my general class my birthday na super. And you know, Zoka, yeah, we so happy birthday. So na you say boyo lie. Yes.
Akru life.
Yes. Akru life is Joe. Joe.
Yeah, Joe. Okay. Yeah.
Joe so na birthday. Ana Sujaman boyo. And also no and also na birthday. Yeah, we show me na happy birthday na kwajo success maintain nka nti kwajo nka e nti kwajo
you say you are on any more friend or my assignment
tu abu ana say on for
on my assignment
and kwajo success but yinchi na feel yinchi adofo nyina na yeah should be a happy vows day mano ye mo bibia muzo to ade nje mukunu the boy be say singlet in boxers na doso mo se sem kakra singlet
can say a cigarette no ana and no boss cashos intino e mano Oliver say hen kan kirem afi me mano ye pe cigarette and the boss cashos
I said them
boss cashos and no cigarettes and the boss cashos
that's similar and the man boxers in singlet
yan kan pay ye ni hwe mumma won ye di Christmas yan aye bibia Christmas ni bi yan aye bibia ewie ntino
no expect say ye ke me fro na
Debi sisi ya ye ni hwe ma won
yan da ko ne re choro do so ntino da yemu nye betime hia na edi odo na jese bibia kama ntino aye hwe why ntino
ba wonya ne boko ne ye nchi a major
Yenja major pharmacy.
Yenja because in your man's are shorty. In your man's shorty. One your man.
Yenja major.
Yeah, or heavy.
Yes, say Ike.
Say Ike.
And then major one. Yenja many workers in
and dra major the me on me.
Oh,
and oba so ba honomuna obeje 1 or 2 bi. Yeah, intina ye na nene. Ozi eye na ka be kokoni be we bi oso. Inti sa inti yenja major na je say yenja on say Ike we bi anemo. We make sure say new man we be ba. We mumfa nyama me ken dey say Ike dey I think say oya well.
Yeah. So we no ta to nyama.
And then we mu hia nyama.
Code City Prince about say Sergio birthday too. Sergio birthday. Is Yaoshi Sergio. I know I accrue life. Oh yeah, you accrue life. You wish happy birthday, pa. In the safari, so we send a pa. And you know, Sergio, Serboyo, Zoka. Munina, you wish him happy birthday. No. You know, yeah, you fancy. Vows and I you know. Put the package now.
Oh yeah. You cheer one way very, very fantastic. My wife,
be.
Oh, okay. Ding. Yeah. Yes, sir. Anamede ne. Intina me will be a fantastic Valentine Day.
Let's say on my WhatsApp. Who post you? I know
post
me. Because me post them say
who post this yeah. Contact na ya one so because who post you be so. Intina ya ni sa na ya account tumba ko pe.
But my Grace for Union Enterprise.
Okay.
Grace.
Oh yeah. Grace or heavy.
Yeah, I know they are to say he won't post me now so me post we expect me post to.
Yeah to me mubodi na so no akosia ansa no. And Lisa baby no mo. One would say one more do Okoman.
And you know, you're listening to me, Pachina. Yet me have to so take club ya Santenka, Samson and the writer commentator boy Chidom, head of sports, and a Kofi Okora German Samson at DJs Gibi, a boy social media, Facebook, no, it's me, Echeguya, BBI Kama, Donzi, and our friends on the vibes, Tony Montana, a boy Jumedi, no, BBI, so, Kama, Jeff Akufu a supporting executive producer. Ayora Kofi Anton Barfor. Medin and then Kwame Amponsah Addi. Wait my friend Eke. Eya me pechana. Yes I miss ya. Muchumka.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own.